In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix content not accessible here on Roblox Mobile. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to go ahead and fix the error that says content not accessible here in Roblox Mobile, begin from accessing the Roblox home menu and tapping the More buttons in the bottom right corner to open up a page that looks like this. Scroll down on this page until you see the settings option and select it, and within the settings menu, you're going to want to find this privacy and content restrictions section. Up at the top, there's going to be an option that says content maturity. Go ahead and select that, and from here, you want to go ahead and adjust your content maturity. You could set it to moderate or higher depending on the content that you want access to. If you want to enable restricted, Roblox will require age verification, so just keep that in mind. After you go ahead and adjust your settings, go ahead and back out by hitting the back arrow and then the X arrow up at the very top. And when you go back to the home menu, any error that you might have been having for content not accessible is going to be gone. And you may notice that instead of having a lock icon, you'll see a play button, meaning that you can actually enter in that experience. But that's it. You've now successfully fixed the content not accessible error here on Roblox Mobile. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Roblox videos just like this. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.